tired of using plastic containers that get warped or stained? Are you concerned about toxins leaching into foods? Or about tossing plastics into the environment? Glass has its disadvantages too. It gets hot while heating foods. It's fragile and inconvenient to carry. Finally, a solution. There's an innovative new product called Frego, which gives you all the advantages of food safety, convenience, and portability. Frego is made up of a glass container encased in a shock-absorbing silicone sleeve. The glass container stores and heats food, and the silicone sleeve protects the glass and your hands from burning. Glass and silicone are the most inert materials for food safety, and you can feel secure storing and carrying foods in Frego. Frego keeps food fresh and healthy. Frego has a revolutionary dual-seal lid that prevents food from leaking. Pack liquids without worrying about spills or stains. If dropped, the food stays put and the lid remains sealed. Frego can move easily from the refrigerator to the freezer to the oven to the microwave. It's dishwasher safe on the top or bottom rack. Just drop the glass container into the silicone sleeve, seal the lid, and pack lunches for the family. Perfect for school lunches, the office, camps, picnics, anytime, anywhere. Heat foods without worrying about chemicals leaching into the food, and carry with convenience. Lastly, have fun with your Frego containers. Write a note for your child or your husband, or keep track of its contents. Frego comes in 4 vibrant colors.
How do you take your food on the go? Small, medium, or large? However you take it, use Healthy Packers containers. Strong, durable, and high quality. They're an easy and convenient way to store food. They're also freezer safe and microwave safe. Plus, they're great for storing craft supplies, small hardware, or even pet food. And the one lid fits all 3 sizes of the containers. Save time and money by using them for meal prep, or just use them for leftovers. And they're dishwasher safe. Store food like a pro with Healthy Packers food containers.
Thin bins are BPA-free silicone food storage containers that come in assorted colors and sizes. Each container collapses down to 1/3 its original size and are stackable, saving you more than double the storage space in your kitchen. Snap-on lids creates an airtight, leak-proof seal that'll keep your food secured and fresher longer. Thin bins are temperature resistant, so you can microwave straight from the fridge. Just pull up on the air valve or remove the lid before heating. You can eat or serve a meal right out of your thin bins. When you're done, just pop the lid on the leftovers, collapse it down, and it can go straight into your fridge or freezer. The non-stick silicone makes cleanup easy. Just hand wash or place in the dishwasher for hassle-free cleaning.
Finding a container to keep up with everyday demands used to be a challenge. Thanks to Rubbermaid, the new standard in food storage is here. Introducing Rubbermaid Brilliance, 100% leak-proof guaranteed. Brilliance containers have an airtight seal and innovative latches to keep your food locked inside. When open, the latches reveal built-in vents for splatter-free microwaving with the lid on. The premium BPA-free material is dishwasher safe and resists stains to keep your containers looking crystal clear and new. Brilliance containers stack perfectly to keep food visible and organized. Rubbermaid Brilliance, 100% leak-proof guaranteed.